Hey guys, it's another day and it's another craving adventures. It's vacation time and from Qatar we landed to Philippines. After landing sa Philippines, tanggapsal agad. And for today's vlog, i-share ko sa inyo ang aming travel abroad. For today's video, we are going to Hong Kong. And cravers, don't forget to pay your travel tax pag pupunta kayo ng ibang bansa. So for our vacation abroad, we are going to Hong Kong and day tours sa Macau. Afterwards, we will go to Thailand. To share with you, my travel buddies is Paul, Tin, and Zaira. And guys, obviously we are flying together with Cebu Pacific going to Hong Kong. You know, my sea of clouds. Ang tahimik nila oh. And finally, we landed to Hong Kong International Airport. So, walking muna tayo sa loob, papuntang immigration. Hello! So, ayan, apat kaming mga travel buddies and yun, walking going to immigration. So, dito nga pala sa Hong Kong, meron din silang train, especially kung nasa malayong part kayo ng airport. And yung immigration is medyo malayo. So you can ride with a train going there. And don't forget na rin po kunin yung iyong visitor consumption voucher dito sa kanilang Tourism Visitor Center. Ito nga po pala ang Hong Kong Airport Arrival Area. And by the way, dito nyo na rin po makukuha yung Octopus card and SIM card. And we book it via Klook. Kung magkano, ayan po sa screen. And Klook, baka naman. Saan magagamit ang Octopus card? Paki-screenshot na lang po. Now, nasa train na kami papuntang city center. Going to Tsim Sha Tsui Station. At ang dami naming aberya dyan guys, at kami naligaw-ligaw at kung paano gamitin ang card na aming binook sa Klook. Kaya naman Klook, baka naman. And we arrived sa Tsim Sha Tsui area kung saan malapit ang aming matutulugan for the past few days ng aming stay. So welcome to Hong Kong, and nandito na rin po kami sa Chungking Mansion just to show you kung saan po pwede magpapalit ng mga foreign money. And this is the area. And for ating day 1, we are going to Ngong Ping 360 and we will ride sa cable car.
Nag-enjoy naman ang lahat dito kahit magang-magana ang paanitin. Huwag tayo mag-alala. Dahil sugod Tin, suportado ka namin.
Hey guys, welcome to Hong Kong! So we are now in Ngong Ping 360. Samahan niyo po kami. Sige na muna. Muna na kayo. Going to Ngong Ping 360. Cable card lang po may mga answer. So, showcase namin kung saan po yung Ngong Ping 360. Meron pong great Buddha po, malaking Buddha po. So, samahan niyo po kami sa aming training adventures. Ayan po yung pila pag hindi po kayo nakabook in advance. Mahaba ang pila. Mahaba ang pila. Mahaba nga ang pila ng Klook. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. yung sabi.
May platform and toilet. Ang toilet.
Ay, sa pila na naman. Charot. So, after a long wait ng pila po sa booking po natin ng Ngongpin 360 and nasa loob na po kami ng ating cable car. There are two types po ng cable car. Meron po yung crystal, which is yung glass yung flooring at makikita nyo yung ibaba ng cable car. And kaya sa mga may fear of heights kagaya ko, okay na rin po yung ordinary po na cable car. So, yun po ang aming kinuha. And yan po ang scenery above the cable car po pag sumakay kayo. Ay, ito na yan. Ganda. Ano yung cable car? And yes po, oo, another souvenir shop po. Madami pong souvenir shop po dito sa Ngongpin Village, mga sir and ma'am. At kung napunta po kayo dito mga ma'am and sir, okay lang din namin po ang tumingin-tingin. It's part of our travel na magtingin-tingin din ng souvenir kung meron tayong natipuhan. Sunod daw siya. And yes, ito na nga po ang ating Ngumping Buddha. At kung naisipan nyo pong akyatin ang budang ito lang laman ay merong 268 steps papuntang taas. And yes, nung inakyat ko to, napagod po ako. Pero iba pa rin ang dating ng naakyat ito at ang makikita mo sa itaas. Napakaganda. Kaya subukan nyo rin pong akyatin kung kaya po ninyo at kaya po ng pangangatawan ninyo. And yes po, napakaganda ng taas. So we're done for today. Ngumping J63, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And dadaan lang po kami sa City Gate for gala-gala lang. And our dinner for day 1 is here in Cafe de Coral. So one of the best restaurant daw po ito na recommended po ng maraming vloggers and mga tourists. So try po namin, and tara, kain tayo.
Si 817.
And we tried po ang 7-Eleven Hong Kong and this convenience store para makita na rin po natin ang differences po sa ibang 7-Eleven sa Philippines and the other countries po. And one more is para makatipid po tayo. Budgetarian lang po tayo. Hello Cravers! Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please comment craving satisfied, and also if you have questions. This video is only day 1 video, so see you on the next one. Ingat po palagi. Bye bye Cravers!